Today we are going to see what are all the qualifications and what are the disqualification to become a company auditor. Qualification. Yes, basically there is only one qualification for a person to appoint as an auditor of a company is in which a simple language that he or she must be a chartered accountant in practice according to the section 141 subsection of 1 of the act provides that she or the person eligible for an appointment of an auditor. Chartered accountant has been defined in a section 2 of 17 of the act under as chartered accountant means a chartered accountant as defined in a clause B of subsection 1 of section 2 of the Chartered Accountant Act 1949 who holds a valid certificate of practice under subsection 1 of a section 6 of that act. Further, as per the section 2(1) of B, the Chartered Accountant Act 1949, chartered accountant means a person who is a member of an institute under section 1 of the said act states that no member of that institution shall be entitled to practice whether in India or elsewhere unless he has obtained from the Council of Certificate of Practice. Hence, it is very clear that the word chartered accountant has been used throughout the act unless the context otherwise requires to mean chartered accountant in practice. Not only an individual but a firm or limited liability company may also be appointed as an auditor. However, provision to section 141 of 1 clarifies that only such audit firms would be eligible to be appointed as an auditor of the company where majority of the partners practice in India are chartered accountants. Under section 141 of 2 states that where a firm including a limited liability partnership is appointed as an auditor of a company, only the partners who are chartered accountants shall be authorized to act and sign on behalf of the firm. The provision envisaged the position with a multidisciplinary partnership, that means MDP, is allowed by the regulators, that is ICAI, ICSI, ICMA and more on, which had already put in place by ICAI and the Form 18 under regulations being amended. Approved with the MCA of 1st July. And also, according to it, the members of the following professional bodies have been permitted to become a partner as on date. First one is Company Secretary member, the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Next comes the Cost Accountant member, the Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India. Advocate member, Bar Council of India. Engineer member, the Institute of Engineer or Engineering from an university established by law or an institution recognized by law. Architect member, the Indian Institute of Architects. Actuary member, the Institute of Actuaries of India. Hence, the following are the qualified as an appointed as an auditor of a company according to as on the date. A chartered accountant in practice, whether it is an individual or sole proprietor, a partnership whereof all the partners are chartered accountants practicing in India, a partnership firm being multidisciplinary partnership whereof majority of partners are chartered accountants practicing in India, a limited liability partnership where all of the partners are chartered accountants practicing in India, limited liability partnership being multidisciplinary partnership, that is MDP, whereof majority partners are chartered accountants practicing in India. However, in MDP, only partners who are chartered accountants shall be authorized to act and sign behalf of the firm as an auditor. These are some of the qualifications which is very important in an appointment of auditor. Next, we will see the disqualification of an auditor in the next video. Thank you.